There's a woodpecker over here. I hear him. There he is. Not sure what kind of woodpecker. It can be one of three: a downy, a hairy, or an acorn woodpecker. But I don't know. Wait, I don't know. I think it's an acorn woodpecker. I'm trying to get close without scaring it. He's on that tree now. I don't think he can see me. A robin! There's a robin right there. Oh, there's the woodpecker again. He's over there now. There's so many birds here. Oh, there it goes. He's back there. He's behind that tree. He's behind the tree. Shit. I want to try to sneak around and get him up close. But these damn doves are gonna scare it. Oh my god, the doves are so annoying. It's up there. I see him. He's going all the way up there. I think I got a woodpecker on here before, but it wasn't as good as this. He's not really scared actually. I'm talking quite loud. I'm right next to him. He's behind there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a Acorn woodpecker. Looks like he's gonna take off. I don't know. It's going away now. There's a robin over here. Just flew down and tried to get a look at him. He can't see me. It's back there. Oh, yeah, I see him. Where is he? Oh. He's gone. Goldfinches. Huh. That woodpecker's still in that tree. This dumb dog keeps running around all over the place. I don't know what he's trying to do. I think he smells the woodpecker and he wants to get it. I don't know. I'm gonna go over here. It's actually really cold. It's really cold. I'm in short sleeves. And the hand on my phone is freezing. Like really freezing. Pichu, what are you doing right there? So dumb. No, that's my pond, idiot. So annoying. Why does this keep falling? It keeps... my god. I don't want this. I'm trying to make a pond here and he keeps ruining it. He keeps knocking this over. God damn it. My god. Okay. Goldfinches. The sun is coming out. I hear them. Oh, there's some right there. They're so tiny. I'm gonna get around on that side from the sun. Light hits them. I want to get that yellow. I don't know what they look like right now. I don't know what their plume is like right now. Oh, they're yellow. They're pretty. There's the male right there. There's a female. And then the male is back there. They're cool. I caught 2 of them one time. I caught 2 of these. I caught one in California and then I caught one here last year. Look at him. Where is it? I can't see it. Oh, right there. There we go. Look at that cute little guy. He's so bright. It's more neon yellow. Like really bright, bright yellow. I might draw one of these. I like their sounds. The pew, pew. It's a nice sound. I like it. See if I can get closer. Closer the better. Oh, there's the female right there. The male is there. Oh, there he goes. Dove. Cool. So, obviously doves, they're in like literally every video. Dove, acorn woodpecker, American robin, lesser goldfinch. 4 species. That's really cool.